Hi guys, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. This is the third part to the 3D engine project that we're working on. So let's get into it. So what we're going to need to do is we need to go over to backdrops, and we need to go to backdrops, and we need to go fill. We want to make this all black. All black. Alright, that ain't gonna let us do it. So we want to go for no outline, and we want to do that, and make sure that's done like that. So now, save now, and we want to go onto code, and we want to go to events. When flag is clicked, we want to go forever. We want to go to variables. We want to go set FPS to operators -1, and then I want to go back into variables. I'm going to go to frame. Oops. And now that's that. And so now I want to go to set frame to 0. Now I want to go to scenes. I want to go to, where is it? I want to go to reset timer. Now I want to go to repeat. I went to control. I'm going to go for a repeat until. Now I want to go to operators. I want to grab this one here. I want to go to sensing, timer. I'm going to go 1. And I'll go to variables. I'm going to go change frame by 1. Now if we do this, get that. So we're going to hit save project. Now we want to go into game. Okay. Let's go and scroll. Now I want to go to this one, to sprite one. We want to name it the end. And now we want to go to events. When flag is clicked, I'm going to go to looks, hide, and then we want to go down to variables, show variable FPS. Okay. Now while we're still in the end, we want to go to events, and whatever thing's called, and we want to go to forever, and then if we want to go to control, if else, we want to go and grab into operators. We want to get equals. I'm going to go into variables. I'm going to go to level. I'm going to go 7. Then we want to go looks. We'll go show. And now we want to go to variables. I'm going to grab 3 of these, and then we want to go. Right, now we're going to need to make a variable called x. We go, not Windows key, x, I want to turn it off, and we want to go to, we want to make Y. Now we want to make a variable called size. We'll turn these all off. And I want to go in here, I'm going to go X, Y, now I want to go size. Where's size? There. Size, I'll move it here. Now I want to go to operators, I want to go pick random. I want to have 3 of these, so I want to go -10, and I want to go -10, 90, I want to go 100, 120, and I want to go down. Now I want to go to operators, mint control, repeat 10 times. I want to go motion, change X by, and then we want to go and get a change Y by. I want to grab an operator, we want to go to the slash thing. And we want to go to variables and now we want to go and grab a negative. I'll grab negative. Now I want to go X, Y, nope, dang it, Y. I want to go into motion. I want to get X position, Y position. I want to go into operators, pick random. I want to go 3 to 10 and 3 to 10. Now what we want to do is we want to go to looks. I want to get change size by, and then we want to go basically just copy this and then take that out. Now we want to grab size, then we want to go into variables and we want to grab, where is it? I'm gonna grab the size and shoot. Now we want to go over to looks and we want to go hide. And I want to save the project. And that's gonna wrap up the video for today. We have like an FPS rate at the moment, so we'll get it done later on in the series. And thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Turn that notifications bell on so you don't miss the next 3D tutorial video. And I'm signing out. Bye!